Do you have an emergency fund? Well, did you know you need one? Well, if you don't have one and now you realize you need one, then this is just the video for you. I have a 52-week savings challenge that can help you get an emergency fund started and keep it going. And the reason it will help you because it is working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. So join me in this 52-week savings challenge if you don't have an emergency fund, and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund, which is important to have. Yes, it is. We don't know when they're gonna come, but that's okay. We want to be ready. We want to have money to tap into. You don't want to have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? You want to already have the money. Okay, and you want to stay out of this because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. And what you need for this savings challenge, first of all, you need some money. See this? What is that? A $10 bill. Now, didn't I say when you take small amounts of money, this is a small amount of money. And what you're also going to need is something like this. This is a photo album that I found in Dollar Tree, and this is not a sponsored video. This has 50 pages. And once it's all stuff, it's going to equal up to $500. Now, we know we need to save at least $1,000. And that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But once you stuff this, which this is considered cash stuffing, and it's all completed, it would be $500. So that can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. Then you can start over. Or either you can go on places like Amazon, Temu, TikTok, and order a photo album with 100 pages. And once that's stuffed, that's $1,000. Now, I happen to have 2 because I was in Dollar Tree about a month or so ago, and I saw this. When I bought this the one time, every time I go in there, they wouldn't have any more. So, I don't know if this is a restockable item. I didn't think it was because you never see it, but it showed up again, okay? So, anyway, or if you don't want to use something like this, just find some kind of container, something, and stuff it with $10 bills every week, okay? That's $40 a month. If that is too much for you, because it may be, depending on your situation. Some people are in this situation here. Or if this is your situation here. Because it's a small amounts of money, this will help you, okay? Now, you want to save the money so you can have money to tap into. We want to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Everybody's situation is different. Like I said, if you're in these situations here, you know, sometimes it may be harder. And like I said, if you are in this situation, this can help you. Okay? Yeah, it can. Now, we don't just want to save $1,000 because that'll only cover Mercy up to $1,000. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are. Sit down and write it down. Make a list. And also start eliminating things. You know, we want to make sure we have good behavior with money. Be a good money manager. Manage your money really well. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. You know, things that you don't need, don't buy them. Just like yesterday, I went to the mall. Not to shop. That's why I get my exercise in. I walk at this mall. And it's a pretty big mall, and it has 2 floors. So what I do, I walk twice on the 2nd floor. I go around there 2 times, and then I walk once on the 1st floor. And that equals a mile. Okay? So, you know, it was funny. I'm walking through the mall, going past all these stores, and I'm seeing clothes, which I used to be a clothes fanatic. But I didn't have a desire to buy anything. Well, first of all, I don't need nothing. You know, I used to purposely go window shopping, so when I got some money, I got paid, I knew where to go buy something. But I was going to buy these clothes, and I said, man, I don't even think about buying these clothes. I'm just in here getting my walk on, and that's what I did yesterday. So, yeah, we got to have good behavior with money, okay? So, I mean... And when I go in there, you know what? I used to, when I go in there, would make sure I leave my wallet and everything in the car. But I had it on me because I carry a little fanny pack around my waist. So it was on me. So I had ways to buy something. But I was like, I ain't buying nothing. I'm here to walk, get my exercise on. And the reason I go to the mall and do it because it's free. Yeah. Yeah, so that's a good way to get your cardio in, you know. I walked that mall in 30 minutes. Yes, I did. 2 floors. And like I said, it's a big mall. So anyway, so you can do things like live on less than what you make. If you make $1,000 a month, live on $500 and save and invest the rest. Because we not only want to save for emergency, we want to build wealth also. But there's a whole nother video, whole nother topic, okay? So, yeah. And you also want to have good behavior with money. And like I said, don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. And another thing that will help you, go grocery shopping, buy food, and meal prep. That will help you to save money rather than eating out. Eating out is expensive, okay? Yeah. And if you're a person that likes to go to this place and get coffee, you can buy this while you're in the store. Not only this coffee, other coffees. And you can make your own coffee and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. And another thing that will help you, where's my other card? Oh, did it fall? I had another card. I don't know where it went to. Oh. Okay, well anyway, if you come out of this, where's that card? Oh wait. Okay, well, if you come out of this will help you. Also, okay, because this can help you feel like you have a raise because you were not spending money towards this. Okay? All right. So, let's go ahead and count the money that you and I, have saved since the beginning of 2025. Now, I did this last year and I completed this. And hopefully, someone was following me and they did the same thing. And then I started over in 2025. Okay? All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, $9,400, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, that's $440, and we're gonna stuff this, and that makes $450. Wow. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and record this. That's how I keep up with everything. Not that pen. Is this the one that works? Yeah, it works. All right, now today is Wednesday, November the 5th, and this is our photo album savings hack. That's what I call it, savings hack. Savings challenge. Okay, we added $10, and the total amount is $450. So all we need is $50 more, and this will be completed. And this is a 52-week savings challenge, and we're on week number 45, and we have 7 more weeks. So this will be completed in 5 weeks. Okay? Now, every now and then I'll skip a day, and I'm gonna do a video, because I really would like to do this to the end of this year. But you know, we'll see. Yeah, it may get completed before the end of this year, but I may skip a day. Okay? All right, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.